Hey, what's going on, guys? Antonio here. We have another police interceptor video, something on more of the cosmetics part of it. Sometimes you come across these cars, 2000 to 2011 model, where you go into the car and you go into the glove box and you pull the glove box, right? And there's nothing there, right? The whole glove box portion of it is actually missing. So real easy. There's only 6 screws. You don't have to remove this whatsoever. It's something that just mounts to that. So go to the junkyard and get yourself one of these. They're all practically identical except for maybe the '01 model or 2000 model, but I know more likely that I have seen like the '05s to 05s to 2011 seem to be about the same. So it's real easy, just 6 screws. Okay, 6 screws, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Go ahead and remove that from the the Crown Victoria that may be in your at the junkyard. Grab the screws. This will probably cost you anywhere between 10 to 20 bucks, somewhere around there. Go ahead and grab it. Okay, and it mounts with no pressure, nothing, real easy. There's no brackets, nothing special. Okay, just go ahead and mount it, put the screws in, okay, and you're all good. Simple. Do not replace this, because this is going to be the same one from your original car. You don't want to make any extra keys for this, so just get the plastic as part of the glove box. That's all you need, okay, and you'll be good to go. All right, guys, well, if you found this video somewhat helpful and encourage you to take on this very easy 6 screw project, right, then you're good to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you.